Food and Agricultural Organization and World Health Organization have recognized many toxins present in agricultural products. So, we will discuss the fungus, which is aflatoxin, in this video. So, what is the aflatoxin? Is it risky for us? Let's find out. Aflatoxin is a highly toxic family of fungi that can be found on agricultural crops such as corn, peanuts, cotton trees, tree nuts, and milk-based products in both pre- and post-harvest condition. It can contaminate food crops and pose a serious health threat to humans and animals. What is the toxin that produced by aflatoxin? Main fungi that produce aflatoxin is Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus. Aspergillus flavus toxicity is hepatocarcinogens, whereas Aspergillus parasiticus toxicity is a fatty liver. These fungi usually grow in a warm and humid condition of tropical and subtropical region. Let us now look at the different types of aflatoxin. There are more than 20 known aflatoxins, but the four main ones are aflatoxin B1, aflatoxin B2, aflatoxin G1, and aflatoxin G2. The B types are produced by Aspergillus flavus, while the G type are produced by Aspergillus parasiticus. These major aflatoxins can poison the body through respiratory, resulting in overactivations of the inflammatory response. These four types are particularly dangerous to humans and animals, as they have been found in all major food crops. So, what is the cause of contamination? The causes of contamination. Fungal contamination can occur in the field or during harvest, transport, and storage. The contamination will occur by eating contaminated plant products such as peanuts and consuming meat or dairy products from animals that eat contaminated feed. Aflatoxin contamination of wheat or barley is commonly the result of inappropriate storage. As a result, Codex standards set the maximum level of aflatoxin in various nuts, grains, dry fig, and milk in the range of 0.5 to 50 microgram per kilogram. Let us now discuss the toxicity of aflatoxin and the symptoms of each. The first is acute toxicity, which occurs when a large amount of aflatoxin is consumed in a short period of time. Nausea, itching, vomiting, bleeding, abdominal pain, coma, and death are the signs of this toxicity. Then, it can cause chronic toxicity, which occur by consuming small amounts of aflatoxins at a time but over a prolonged period. Impaired growth and development, especially in children, and hepatocellular carcinoma such as weight loss, abdominal mass, and anorexia are the signs of this toxicity. What is the common illness type? Adults are more likely to develop liver cancer and immunosuppression, whereas children are more likely to develop stunting, mental impairment, and acute poisoning. For the prevention of aflatoxin intoxication, what consumer can do to avoid aflatoxin intoxication? Aflatoxin poisoning can be avoided by carefully inspecting whole grains and nuts for mold. Discard any food that appear to be moldy, discolored, and shriveled. Only buy grains and nuts as fresh as possible, and lastly, store the food properly.